Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to show you my DIY detachable inverted paddles, which is modified from G27 paddles. This design must be supported by a wall behind, otherwise it could break. My detachable inverted paddle can be disassembled into 4 parts, which is good for storage. It could be set up in less than 2 minutes, which is quite simple. This is not a tutorial video. It is just to show the idea of a detachable inverted paddles. I'll still link all the SolidWorks file and STL files in the description. Anyone interested in this project can try and modify this. Also, I will show some more photos of this design to demonstrate the ideas behind.